Okay, so here we are testing out a standard fan motor. We've got the system on right now, and what we're going to notice, watch, is the top number here on my meter. We're going to take note of the amps on the system when it first starts up. So you saw the spike there at about 12.1, 12.2, and it hovers around 5.2. So this is the same size fan motor as the last one that we were testing. So you can see just a really huge difference in the electrical usage. This one uses a lot more electricity on startup and during operation because of the way the motor is built. So thanks for watching, and I hope that this information helps your decision in choosing a type of fan motor and your next furnace purchase. Thanks.